change MX Player app language. In this video, I'm going to show you the easy trick to change MX Player app language. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you'll learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, you have to install and download the MX Player app on your mobile device. Once you have done that, tap on Open button. Once you open it, you simply need to tap on the bottom right corner Me icon. Once you get on the section, you will see the settings option which is underneath the app theme option. Select it. And on the settings list, you will see app language. Select it. And on this box, you will see different languages. So according to your choice, you can simply select any language that you want to change your app language to. Once you have selected, you can simply tap on the save button at the bottom right corner, and then the app language on MX Player will be automatically changed. Later, you can also make other changes if you wish to. So that's how we change MX Player app language.
So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.